Chinese singer Stephanie rehearses the lyrics of another Ghanaian song.
Ma oto ni o time free ho. Ma no kra ni a time free ho. Manichi si a ra namo. Nasondo 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 ni hintata.
Okay, all right. So the last part is Nasumji.
Nasonji
J.
J
J.
Nasonji
J.
J
J.
J.
So we take it from the top. From the top. Yeah, so let me play the introduction. So I'll start from here. When we end, when we do that part, then we take it again. You get it now?
Oh yes, we repeat it.
Very good. We repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hello and welcome back to this special edition. As usual, my name is Kwamina Cheddar. And so I am here to tell you that Ghana is indeed reinstilling the lost values, the stolen values of humanity into the world. Because Ghana is re-colonizing the world through their food, through their language, and also their music. After watching the whole video, your life is not going to be the same. You are going to feel the special touch of Yeshua HaMashiach because you are going to love it. Chinese nationals, Koreans, and a whole lot of foreigners are worshiping God and weeping bitterly with the Ghana language and also singing Ghanaian songs. This is so marvelous. This is so amazing. This is a life-changing testimony, or this is a life-changing addition that I am bringing to your doorsteps. Let's first hear the first foreigner who sang nicely and beautifully this Ghanaian song. And I think you are going to give this video a thumbs up because it is marvelous and also wonderfully compiled. Let's dive through. Once again, I'm here to tell you that Ghana is reinstilling to the world the lost values of humanity through music. Ghana is healing people or the world through music, through food, through undiluted culture. So right now, I don't know where you are watching me from, whether you're watching from Ghana, USA, Germany, London, UK, China. Like, I don't know where exactly you are, but by the end of this video, you are going to experience a special touch from Yeshua HaMashiach. So the next song, also sung by the Korean nationals, it is entitled as Eyampara Se Onyankopon Eyodo. So it is true that God is love, and his love can never be underestimated. Ɛyɛ ampa ara sɛ Onyankopɔn yɛ ɔdɔ, na Yesu dɔ yi yɛdwen ho a yɛnte aseɛ. It is as a result of the love of the living God that is why we are still living or among the living. You woke up today not by your might or not by your power, but by the grace, the special grace and the love of Yeshua HaMashiach, the living God. So let's watch these Korean nationals as they sing this Ghana local song entitled Eyampara Se Onyankopon Eyodo.
Eyampara se nyankopon uyodo. Yesu doi mezine wa hametiase. Ekamedi yego bobe namoye a. Enot no bobe wini gwase widi mami. Nemu wa mama tiasiase. Sene soro nesa se te porno. Soro isui me fumso ni na reprivo. Ne comandi sciposa e quindi che cambiani oi. E nonna, uomo me di bin, wisone ni meti me iwayeda. Me shewe nyanyam, yame kanyao mozane tuminu, aya mami. Awawa do beni se yesu mami. Waso ane boninina, wasenja ni so. Ebradi majikwa, uvoda nama medibi. Yesu na waye, misumedi reshida.
And so the song was beautifully displayed and sung by these Korean nationals. It is entitled Eyampara Se Onyankopon Eyodo. This means it is true that God is a loving God. The next ministration is by these same Korean nationals, which is entitled Yasum Onyame a ɔyɛ ɔnwanwani na biribia ne mu a ɛyɛ den ɛso ne yɛ. Ɛmfa ho ne wadesoa, ɛmfa ho ne ɔbrɛ ne amanehunu a wokɔ mu. Regardless your trials and tribulations in life, this song is entitled We Worship a Wonderful God, and there is nothing that this God cannot do. That is the title of the song. We worship a wonderful God, and there is nothing that this wonderful God cannot do. So, it doesn't matter the affliction that you are going through in life. Affliction shall never rise a second time. Believe it and have faith in Yeshua HaMashiach as we resonate with the words of this song.
Yesu nami o oye wa
So, the next ministration is by these same Korean nationals. And this is mind busting, right? Isn't this amazing? Isn't this beautiful and nice? To see foreigners singing the Ghanaian local songs, worshiping God with it. This is how far the Ghanaian language has gotten to, reinstilling values, culture, and food is indeed selling the country called Ghana. And we are so proud. The next song is entitled Mebo Eradidin.
Chile,
These ministrations were beautifully displayed. Right now, somewhere, someone is watching me, and I don't know what you are going through. I don't know what is bothering you. I don't know. Diseases, ailments. You know, the Bible says many are the afflictions of the righteous, but it is God who will deliver them from it. Ɔtreneeni amanehunu ɛdɔɔso, nanso Awurade agye wɔn firi ne nyinaa mu. Whatever thing, whatever hardship you are going through, may Yeshua HaMashiach come to your aid, visit you, and deliver you. Once again, my name is Kwame Nacheda. If today is your first time watching me here, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I upload contents like this. See you in my next episode. I'm out.